In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a card cover in Trello quickly and easily. If you've added an image to a card and it's showing as a banner or cover at the top, but you no longer want it there, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it. This is perfect if you want a cleaner board layout or you accidentally set an attachment as a cover. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final confirmation step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello. From the Trello homepage, also known as the Home dashboard, make sure you're logged into your account. This is where you can see all your recent boards and workspaces. Once you're on the home screen, look for the board that contains the card with the cover image you want to remove. Next, click on your board to open it. This will take you inside the board where all your lists and cards are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific card that has the banner or cover image showing at the top. The cover usually appears as a large image preview on the card itself. Now, click directly on that card to open it. When the card window pops up, you'll see all the card details, including the description, activity, attachments, and other options. To remove the cover, we need to find the file that's currently being used as the card cover. Scroll down inside the card until you reach the Files or Attachments section. This is where Trello stores any images or documents that have been uploaded to the card. Look carefully for the image that is currently set as the cover. It will usually match the banner you're seeing at the top of the card. Once you've found the correct attachment, click on the three dots menu next to that file. This opens a small drop-down menu with additional options related to that attachment. Make sure you're selecting the correct image before moving forward. From the drop-down menu, click on Remove. Trello will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove this attachment. This step is important because removing the attachment will also remove it as the card cover. Click on Remove again to confirm. As soon as you do this, the image will be deleted from the card's attachments and the card cover banner will disappear automatically. Your card will now return to its standard appearance without the large image at the top. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a card cover in Trello. If you ever want to add a new cover in the future, you can upload a new image and set it as the cover from the attachment options. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.